Hello everyone, I am Punyakirti BL. Welcome to my Generative AI Learning Series. In this video, we will talk about one of the most fundamental concepts, token and tokenization. Think of tokens as the building blocks of language that AI understands. Without tokens, large language models could not process text at all. So, what are tokens exactly? Tokens are the basic units of text that an AI model understands. For example, the sentence I love generative AI might break into tokens like I, one token, love, another token, generative, and AI, two tokens. Sometimes tokens are whole words, sometimes they are smaller chunks like generative. So, generative is divided into two tokens. This helps AI handle text in different languages and contexts. So, tokenization methods. There are several ways to tokenize text. At the simplest level, you can split by words. But this fails for rare or misspelled words. Another way is character level tokenization. But then sentences become too long. So, modern models use subword methods like BPE and sentence piece. These break words into smaller chunks which balance efficiency and flexibility. This way, the model can handle rare words, different languages, and even emojis. Why tokenization matters? Now, why does tokenization matter? First, it makes models efficient. Instead of memorizing millions of words, the AI just learns tokens. Second, it makes AI flexible. The same tokenizer can handle English, Spanish, or even code. And finally, it makes AI powerful. By breaking rare or complex words into smaller tokens, the model can still understand and generate them. So, to summarize, tokens are the language of AI. Tokenization turns text into chunks which AI can understand. We explored different methods: word level, character level, and subword approaches like BPE and sentence piece. And we learned why tokenization is so important, making AI efficient, flexible, and multilingual. So thanks for watching. I am Punyakirti BL. In the next video, we will dive into something even more exciting topic, the attention mechanism that helps AI focus on the right words.